Couldn't run both of them because I didn't have enough water, so I just run one and then run the other one.
Yeah.
And it's just with one, it's amazing.
Welcome to Hiner Outdoor Living. We're a team of yardists taking boring, cookie-cutter yards and transforming them into one-of-a-kind backyard retreats. Join us as we bring quality, passion, and fun to yards all across the Colorado Front Range, inspiring life outside.
Happy New Year! What's up, guys? I'm ready to finish this. I was itching to come and finish this because this is gonna look so cool. So right now, as you can see, things are all over the place because we're gonna start doing plumbing. Plumbing is gonna be a lot heavy, so that's why we have these things all over the place. But plumbing today, and hopefully we can have this thing running tomorrow.
We have two 5,000 gallon per hour pumps going into this thing, which sounds like a lot, but it's not too much, and that is by design. It is an indoor space, so by adding too much water flow, it might overwhelm the area. So we want something that looks really good, but not too overpowering when it comes to the noise. We have so much plumbing, manifolds, fittings, pumps, lights, all sorts of conduit going in this, and the thing is, we have to hide it all.
I said I was gonna be done yesterday, but sorry, it didn't happen. I did my best, but I said I was gonna be done today, so, and look at it. It's not running yet, we're just washing it off, doing the final details, but it's looking great. You'll see it running in a little bit, and you'll see how nice it looks. The details that I'm working on right now is a little bit of moss. I was doing a little bit of an extra cut over there on the other side for an extra horsetail water facing that way, and I was cutting this one on right now, but that's basically it. We're just cleaning up the whole site, filling it back up. We'll run it in just a little. Couldn't run both of them because I didn't have enough water, so I just run one and then run the other one.
Yeah.
And it's just with one, it's amazing.
We'll see.
Once it's fully up in pipe one.
We got water running. We fine-tuned all the holes. as we wanted. We add a little bit of molten moss. Obviously, there is a little more to do still here. They're gonna do some taps, some veneer maybe, and in the back, they still need to do some bamboo, some that kind of stuff. The whole back over here, and they're gonna add some plants, like with plants, definitely gonna look a lot better. This is our first water fountain that we work on, especially indoors. Yeah, indoors is a little, you know, when we were cutting all this stuff, the whole thing was like full dust, so it's a little difficult. We have to wear masks because there was too much dust around here. One of the hardest things to do was just bring the material in. It was really tough to get everything inside, since you have to come through stairs, elevators, and a big hallway all the way out. Working with urns and bowls and all this stuff, it's kind of the same, you know, with a water feature with boulders. It just takes, I think what's a little more complicated is try to place them the right way, you know. You just got a bunch of stuff and they need to fit perfect. So that's what's a little more complicated. You gotta be creative when it comes to the position, the placement of all these elements, that once they are together, that's when they get your attention.
This is better than expected. I'm just thrilled with the way he was able to incorporate all the urns, the bowls, the boulders, the slat state flagstone, the stacked wall. I mean, everything is exactly how I was envisioning and expecting it to go. But even with that being said, he still just killed it. Blew it out of the water. I'm thrilled with the end product. So one thing that's going to be really cool about this is the owner of the Shrunken Head Joe is going to make this kind of a wishing well, and every coin and everything that gets thrown in here, he's going to donate it to a great cause. We do have to wait for some other contractors to come in and finish up the restaurant, do the backdrops, bring in some fake plants, and once all that stuff is done, we'll probably come back and make sure the last 5% is finished and looking up to our standards.
Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.